Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your calendar infrastructure is ready. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then enable iCloud and toggle calendars so events sync. Once done, confirm notifications and contacts permissions so invites and alerts work. Now open the calendar app and pick a default calendar and enable time zone support if you travel. This prevents shifting times. With those essentials set, you're ready to add your first. You create an event by tapping the plus button and entering a clear title and location. You should also choose start and end times and which calendar to save it to. Once done, set one or more alerts and optionally add notes or a map location so you know where to go. Make sure to add invitees if others attend, pick repeat rules for recurring plans, and color code the event to visually separate work, personal, and family items. Finish by reviewing your calendar in day, week, and month views to confirm layout and overlaps. Tap any event to edit or share. Make sure Siri is enabled so you can add events by voice and use Spotlight to find appointments fast. If items aren't appearing across devices, toggle calendars off and on in iCloud settings, force close the calendar app, and verify your network. That often resolves sync issues quickly. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.